Number 1. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza. Convert. IBL EI not running. Pretty much rust-free. Mostly complete. Title. Look in the description. Number 2. 1968 Chevrolet Corvair. Chevrolet Corvair. Convert. IBLA WILL UN. RAN2 YEAR SAGORO LSA ND WILLB EAGRE ATPARTEE. Look in the description. Number 3. 1966 Chevrolet Corvair. This 66 Corvair Monza sedan is an affordable classic and a joy to drive. It has a 110 HP engine and Powerglide automatic transmission. The unibody structure is in good shape and would make a great candidate for further restoration. Recently, the car had a lot of work done to it, including a full tune-up, new brakes, heating system, electronic ignition, electric fuel pump, etc. Look in the description. Number 4. 1962 Chevrolet Corvair 95. This is an extremely solid and nearly rust-free 1962 Corvair Greenbrier van. That is complete and an excellent candidate for restoration. The van has a manual transmission and also all 3 rows of bench seating. Look in the description. Number 5. 1962 Chevrolet Corvair. You are looking at 1962 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Coupe. Solid little car with automatic transmission. I feel that my price of $4,500 is very realistic for a classic vehicle like this one, with the potential that this vehicle has. We offer a 90-day layaway on many of our vehicles. Just break the cost of the vehicle into 4 equal payments 30 days apart, and then you can take possession of the vehicle. If you need long-term financing, contact Debbie at Woodside Credit Union. Look in the description. Number 6. 1960 Chevrolet Corvair. (1960 Chevrolet Corvair) four-door non-running project. Look in the description. Number 7. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza. You are looking at a 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza convertible project car. This is an automatic car with a flat 6, needs TLC. I feel that my price of $4,000 is very realistic for a classic vehicle like this one. With the potential that this vehicle has. Look in the description. Number 8. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair. This late model Corvair coupe would be an excellent platform to build a Corvair restoration. Originally, this car was a 110 HP Powerglide car and still has its original paint and red interior. The car has a clean Nebraska title and is complete aside from its drivetrain. Look in the description.